Welcome to my Lifeyt, guys. Today we're going to put together a tire breaker out of some scraps that we have around. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Stick around for that. Oh, driving. Alright guys, so we got a bottle jack. I'm not sure if that's going to work very good, but these are going to be our arms coming up. Just some angle iron. We'll drill multiple holes in here for adjustability, and then this will be the arm that will come out and pivot, and then we'll put some kind of foot on here, but then we got a stabilizer foot out here, keep it from tipping over. And the tire will sit out here. I think what we're going to end up having to do is, like I said, put some kind of foot on here to push down into there. But that's our general idea. So I'm going to drill these holes in this first, multiple holes in it, so that we can have adjustability, and then we'll go from there. So I'm trying to get an idea where to drill our multiple holes in our piece there, and what I'm coming up with is that's about there, about the top of the tire. It's 10 inches to right here, and I'm not exactly sure how it's going to work, so I was thinking to drill holes at 10, 9, 10, and 11. That'd give us a little bit of adjustability and get us started anyways to see how it's going to work. So I did some drilling. I got these holes drilled for the uprights. I've also made a foot for the jack to sit on, a foot for the tire to go on by the rim, and then I've also drilled multiple holes in the pivoting piece to be able to adjust that. I also did 3 holes in that. So we're going to weld this up and then see if it works. Alright guys, so we've ran into our first issue on this. When you have this sitting on the tire, now this isn't welded yet, so this is just mock-ups, but when you have it sitting on there, the jack won't fit under the back here. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to drill another set of holes in these brackets before I weld it up. I did think about just raising this up, but then that doesn't give us as much weld down here on the bottom sides of these supports. So I didn't want to do that. I also cut a piece that I'm going to end up welding in up here to keep these from moving around or twisting. So we're going to get those holes drilled, finish welding her up so that we can try her out. Alright, so here's our first attempt with our homemade tire breaker. Just tighten up the jack here. So that was our project for today, was to make a tire breaker. It took me about 8 minutes to break that tire down, moving around it. If I would have just pushed on the other side, it probably would have been a lot faster. It actually broke the bead off the rim, but then it was just kind of sticking to the rim. So if I would have just pushed on the other side, it would have popped down. That don't matter. It works good. It does have, I ended up drilling 2 more holes on this, and it works good. So it's got some adjustment for smaller tires going down farther. It'll come in handy around here. I got lots of tires that need to be broken down, junk tires on good rims, so we'll use those and use it in future projects for sure. We got a couple more go-karts in here, coming up episodes. If you haven't checked out any of our videos, we got a few on there about building go-karts. We got one down here, did some A-arms on this one. Lots of projects to come, guys. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit that like button, and get that notifications button too, so that you can know when our next projects are coming out. Excited, we got some riding coming. We got some sunshine today, so maybe it'll melt this snow and melt the snow up north so we can go trail riding. Stay tuned in our next episodes for that, and that's all we got time for today, so we'll see you in the next one.